Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Let's take a look, guys, at the forex markets. Well, today we will again take a look at the Great British Pound, because we haven't discussed this currency period since probably a couple of weeks. So let's take a look at it, because market has hit our target that we have discussed within the whole week, and we said that market probably should reach this area due to the action that it has shown here, and we said that probably the area around 169 should be hit. So that has happened, and since our analysis on the euro currency is still the same, the recent price action hasn't changed much during the Monday trading day. So that's why I have decided to take a look at the Great British Pound, and this action in this blue circle has attracted my attention. So what we have, first of all, market has hit 127 target of the butterfly, and as you can see, this action was really flat. So that was not such sort of the acceleration right to the 127. It was really gradual. Actually, you even could recognize some sort of the wedge pattern here, right? So market gradually has reached this target. Also, market has hit the 1618 extension of the inner A, B, C bottom D pattern. Okay, so that's double different targets that coincide in the one area. Usually, in the most most cases, we usually expect some kind of the retracement here. And at minimum to the 3/8 support of this butterfly action. But what we have got instead of this, so we've got this minor bounce and get the bullish stab grabber that suggests taking out of these highs. Okay, in fact, by this action, market retested this, as you can see, support area. This was resistance, now it's become the support. Market has broken through it, retested it, turned to the upside. Here today we also could get the stab grabber if market will close as it stands right now. What does it mean? It means that some sort of the failure of the butterfly at 127. When the butterfly fails, it means that market should continue to move higher. But since we have reached just the 127 target, the failure around 127 could mean the further action to the 1618, because butterfly has another one target. It's right here, and it stands at 170 approximately, 169.86. So 170. That in general, this is this area that we have specified in our long-term analysis. So if you will find in our forum the previous analysis weekly research that we have dedicated to Great British Pound, you will find that the 171 area is the long-term natural support resistance area. So that's why the reaching of this area and our and we have another butterfly pattern on the weekly and monthly time frame chart that also suggests a bit further upward action. Well, but right now we are mostly interested with this action, and we are mostly interested with the possible reaching of this target. But that target stands on the daily time frame chart, and it's a bit extended target, so it's approximately 100 pips to it. So speaking on the short-term perspective on the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see what we have. So that is the pivot points. That is previous consolidation upper border. So recall that we previously have discussed this range, horizon consolidation, and we said as market has break through it, it should pass to the upside the distance approximately that equal to this range, and this almost has happened. I suspect that market has passed through this distance. Let's calculate it. Approximately here, count it. Yes, you can see that coincides and matched precisely at the lower bar of this consolidation. Market has broken to the upside and reached the distance equals to the width of this consolidation. So the target, minor target, has been completed. Now what we see, retracement right back down, retesting of this support, and bounce up out of it. Also take a look that this is the weekly pivot point. So market has tested weekly pivot point and moved to the upside. It means that short-term perspective, short-term sentiment stands bullish. Simultaneously, market has formed this stab grabber. Okay, so we have a short-term bullish scenario, bullish setup that is based on this pattern. Hence, invalidation point for this scenario stands right here, and this is invalidation point not just because that is the low of the stab grabber, but if market will move down and take out of these lows, what it will mean? It will mean that market will move below the weekly pivot point. Market will return right back down inside of this consolidation. These signs in general will be bearish. Also, yes, that is the low of this stab grabber. Hence, our trading range for now is this swing up from this low to this high. That is an area where we should search for a possibility to take in the long position, with the possible target around 170. But on the intraday charts, we will get another one target that stands significantly closer. So if we'll take a look at the hourly time frame chart, we could get this butterfly. It's a very nice looking butterfly. Okay, the target of this butterfly stands approximately the halfway to the daily one. So it's 169.45. Also, guys, 169.30 area is weekly pivot resistance one. That is our working, as I said, working swing. So if we will take a look at it, the two levels to watch for potential entry. Its first level is 168.78, the 3/8 support. That's also coincide with this intermediate top. Okay, and take a look, confidence support. It's 168.68 area. That's, I suppose, two levels to watch for potential long entry. Also, guys, we could try to draw some ABCD pattern on the inner ABCD for this butterfly and take a look where target stands. 1618 stands even higher, approximately even closer to the target of the daily butterfly. If we will add, say, 100% extension, let's see where we will get harmonic ABCD. Harmonic ABCD we will get somewhere in these areas, 169.60 area. So anyway, the most probable targets are the target of the butterfly itself and also the target on the daily time frame chart. So if you like this setup and it's interesting for you, and you also search the possibility to take the long position, well, you could keep an eye and watch for some time for these areas as the areas for taking the long position. That will be invalidation point. So if the market will pass through it down and take out of these lows, that will be the sign of the failure of the daily stamp grabber. But even earlier, if market will pass through this confluence, move below the weekly pivot point, this will mean that probably the bullish setup has failed, and in the short-term perspective, it's very difficult will be to count on it if market will pass through this area, will break through the confluence and through the weekly pivot point. But right now, overall picture looks pretty bullish in the short-term perspective, and that's really interesting setup. That's a bit clearer than we have on the euro currency. But on the euro currency, the overall setup that we have discussed on the daily time frame chart, on the weekly time frame chart, really very promising. That really could lead to the further upward action. And from that standpoint, the Great British Pound, even we could say that maybe some kind of the confirmation of the setup on the euro currency. So let's see what will happen.